So this is going to be the cranial nerve test. There are 12 different cranial nerves that you can test, and you want to be doing it within 2 to 3 minutes. So the first one is the olfactory. I would have something for D to smell. We have like a smelling salt or something like that in our kit. Just pretend I poured alcohol on this, have her sniff it, and then ask her if she can smell what it is. The next one is going to be, I'm going to test the optic, the oculomotor, and the abducens. This is by doing the stargaze pattern. So when you follow this point in the pen, and don't move your head. You want to only move your eyes. All right, so that checks out. When you're doing that, you want to make sure that they have the ability to follow it, that both eyes move equally, and that when they get to their endpoint, that they don't bounce back. You want to make sure that they stay in the same place. The next one is going to be the facial sensation. So by doing this, you just grab 3 fingers and rub it across their cheek on both sides. Did you feel that equally? Okay, so she's good on that one. The next one is facial movement. So I'll have her do a couple of different facial movements for me. So will you raise your eyebrows? Will you get me, lower your eyebrows? Will you frown for me? Will you make like an even face for me, like, and then will you give me a big smile? All right, she looks like she's doing all right there. For the acoustic one, I'm gonna go behind her. Make sure you don't look at the video here, so you can't cheat. And I'm gonna just do a couple like different sounds, a couple snaps, and she's gonna raise her hand to where I am. Okay, she looked like she was okay there. The next one is the glossopharyngeal. Will you swallow for me? All right, she's good there. You can't really test the vagus nerve. That's the gag reflex. The next one is going to be a shoulder shrug. So you're just going to put a slight amount of pressure on their shoulder, and that's the shrug. All right. And then the other one. All right, that one looks good. And then the last one is going to be just the hypoglossal. So it just stick out her tongue. Will you stick out your tongue? Will you go up? Will you go down? All right, D's good on that one.